Video number 31 of 100 in jazz violin. I'm feeling I need to expand on the previous video, number 30, where I talked about swing and its interpretation and its variations. Let's try it in real time. Play with me if you want. I'm going to play the D scale, 2 beats of each one. I'm going to do eighth notes, so 4 eighth notes, and I'll go on to the next note. Like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That was 50-50. Now, in the Latin varieties of jazz, that's the way it is often. Latin music is, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There's a beauty. If it's not swing, doesn't mean it's not jazz, but it's primarily swing and jazz music. It's the main thing for people to learn. So, that was straight eights. Here is the triplet-based one. Play along with me. Here's the later one. It's almost a dotted eighth, 16th. I don't prefer that one as much, but drummers often do that. And their ride cymbals. The one I adore is the one that's kind of halfway between smooshed, lazy, hot, sweaty. It's one that's not straight up, it's not triplet bass, it's somewhere between. Those are the ones I prefer. See, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you feel the difference? They're very subtle between all these, but they have a big impact on the feeling of the music. And like I said, sometimes different players in different positions of the band will do all these different at the same time. So, and it's open to interpretation and mood of the improviser and the mood of the audience and the band. And, there's a lot of variations, but learn to try to do these things with the metronome and other ways. Just be aware of them. The best way to learn them is just by doing. Play along with jazz records, listen to jazz records. It'll kind of seep in. If you're a classical, purist and learn only that way and only by the page, the way we can write things is only mathematical. There's no in-between stuff in writing. So it's up to your interpretation. So get out of your head, get in your heart, play along, loosen up, have a glass of wine or something, right? And we'll go from there.